like I should vlog more. I don't know. When was the last time I vlogged?
JAKAYLA.
You know, it's Jakayla on the beat.
BURNETT.
So that's what I'm doing right now. Oops. Trying to set up some stuff with my business, coming with the consistency. Period. It's a little bit aggravating trying to set it up because I have a Wix for my website, and I wish I would have known this before getting the website, that Wix isn't compatible with a lot of stuff like Shopify is. Shopify is compatible with, you know, getting your Facebook and Instagram, all that synced. So, you know, when people tap your picture or something, they can shop, you know, whatever item that's on the picture. So now I'm trying to figure out how to do this pixel stuff. But yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. I guess I'm gonna vlog all day just to see how it goes. And yeah, peace. So happy, and I don't know if y'all can tell, but I was crying a little bit. I wiped away my tears, but I still feel like my eyes look a little something. But basically, so I just won the giveaway from Toya Plus Curls on YouTube, and her Instagram is Love Jones, and I'm just like so happy. And then Impressions of Beauty, they shouted me out on Instagram, my small black owned business, coming with the consistency. Yes. And I didn't expect that, so I'm just so happy. And yeah, I just had to stop and pray and just cry for a minute. But yeah, it's just like blessings on blessings all the time, and I'm just like, I won't ever get used to it, even though it's, you know, a gift from God. Always, it's just I always get emotional and crying, but I'm just so happy, and I just really don't know what to say right now. But okay, so let me think about what I'm doing next for this vlog, because I know like it's a vlog, so I got to do something. Basically it's about 2:30, maybe 3, I don't know, but I guess I'm about to get ready to record like a poem for my Get to Know Me musically. I'm thinking about changing the name so I Get to Know Me lyrically or something different, because, well, poem, I don't know. But yeah, so I'm about to get ready to record. All right, so I'm back. Okay. So I got some mail from Joann's talking about these sales, 50% off coupons and such. I guess I'll look at this later, because this is something to look and like, oh, okay, this is on sale, fabric, woo woo, what I need to go and get. Let me stop. But okay, so I got my box of what I ordered. It looks cute already. Let me show you. So this is like what I got. And then we have these. I really love the color and the print, you know. And it's a size 9. And yeah. So basically this is it for the haul. And yeah, let me take the sticker off. But yeah, it's really not even a haul, it's a vlog. But yeah, so I'm basically just showing y'all what I got. So I'm getting ready to set up my backdrop. I see you walking by with your head held high, sunshine in the sky. My, oh my. I see. So don't be mad at me, but after I recorded that last section. I didn't really do much. I did go to the store and stuff, but I totally forgot to record. But there will be more videos to come. So stay tuned. Yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, any suggestions, anything, just please comment below. Please. So this is a day or maybe 2 days after. Anyway, we have an unboxing. Oops. Yeah. We got an unboxing from Toya Plus Curls. If y'all did not know, I was one of the giveaway winners that she recently had for her 1K giveaway. So I'm so grateful for this. And here we go. And I cannot wait to be able to have a giveaway for 1K. Like, come on, that is a huge, huge accomplishment. So, boom. I'm gonna grab the bag and close the box down. Wow, here we go. So pretty. Alright, so let's dive in. Oh my god, okay, here we go. First, I see this note right here. I'm so excited. Like, I love like handwritten, just it means so much. Okay, so it says, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. It means so much to me. So cool to finally make my own videos when for years I've been watching others. I appreciate you. You are the best, and I hope you enjoy this gift. Toya Plus Curls is out. Aww, that's so sweet. Like, I really appreciate this, and I definitely, like, I'm gonna keep that for sure. Yes, like, I really cannot believe that. Like, this is so special. Like, this is my first time ever winning a giveaway via YouTube, or Alright, so next thing I see is the mask. So excited. This is a little gift from me to you. Thank you so much for supporting my journey. You are the best. Toya Plus Curls. Yes, and it looks so good. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the plastic because I want to get a closer look. Oh, she reacted to my story. Oh, love her. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Yes, I love this. It is so cool. I'm so excited. Y'all just don't know. Y'all really don't know why I'm so excited, but in due time. Oh, she mentioned me in her story because I told her I just got this box and I'm gonna do an unboxing. But yes, this mask is so cute. Like, it really is. I love this. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, this really means a lot to me. It really does. I'm trying not to get emotional and cry because I know when I first found out I won, I was so like happy and crying because I was like, I knew I was gonna win, but for me to really win and really believe I was gonna win, I just like got it. Like, okay, so we got some I'm scared to pick up all this paper in here. I don't want nothing to drop. Okay, so I'm gonna get the second thing that I see, which is the $50 gift card, Visa card. Yes, I'm super happy. This is to you. Yes, so excited. I'm definitely, because like for the giveaway we had to comment what we would do with the $50, and our first video we ever saw, and etc. And I said with the gift card I would buy with the Visa card I would buy some more groceries, because groceries is expensive. So yeah. And then the first video I ever watched of hers, I guess I can go into all that detail. It was when she was talking about the pros and cons of the Air Force and her job and everything. So yeah, I just like, that's how I got into her channel, just, you know, getting to know her. And like, it was really, I love her channel. Y'all should, again, go check it out. And we got some of this. It is so cute. I'm gonna sit it to the side. Oh, OMG. Like, I'm looking through it, and it's like little pieces of confetti. Like, look at this. This is so cute. It has like some stars. Oh, that is super cute. And then at the bottom, we have this sweet cinnamon pumpkin. I love my fall scents. Like, I really do love fall scents. And this smells so good. I'm so excited. Like, she really looking out. Like, seriously. Because we all know we need hand sanitizer and mask. Like, can't go nowhere without it. So, I'm so happy. And then, these are the foodies she was talking about. Oh, my gosh. So, I've had foodies, but I haven't had them in, like, I want to say I haven't had them in, it's been like 8 years maybe, if not longer. It's been a long time, and there's a lot of them in there. Oh, and here's the gum. Whoop whoop. Thank you so much, Toya. And again, y'all follow, subscribe, like, everything, and check her out. And yeah, stay tuned for so much more. Thank y'all for watching. Peace. Mwah.